Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Digital Ocean TV. I'm Georgi Petrov, and today I'm not in my usual setup. I'm in one Airbnb close to Black Sea, which is a great sea in Bulgaria. And I just wanted to shoot this quick video because one of my friends asked me how to start a freelance business, right? He wanted to work for himself, not for somebody else, right? And so I'd ask him what I'm going to be covering today in this video, and it's definitely going to have a continuation. So see you in a bit. I pretty much advised him was first you need to start a profile on Upwork. Upwork is a platform that is the most reputable. It's not like Fiverr.com or anything like this. Underpaid freelancers and so on and so forth. Especially if you're watching this in United States. If you register for in the United States, you have special treatment and for special projects for United States. So I am registered from United States, obviously. And what we should do is I'm going to be covering everything in a different video for Upwork. But most important thing is that you need to create that your profile. You need to set it up. You need to start building relationships with all the people that are looking for freelancers, media buyers, and so on and so forth. Get at least 3 to 5 jobs, even if they're underpaid, in order to get good reviews, good feedback. It's called feedback on Upwork, and you'll definitely have more leverage over different different projects. And then create a LinkedIn account. There's going to be probably another video because it's a huge topic. Also, another thing is that you need as a business owner, right? You need to look at it as a business owner and start building your social media presence, your brand, right? You are your brand. You need to understand that. And the more case studies you have, the more proof of your work you have, the more projects on your portfolio you have, the better, right? The better chances you're gonna get when you start looking for projects. If you work for white labeling services towards different other like agencies. Like I've hired like white labeling agents as well, like freelancers in the past. So you focus on these things first. Upwork profile, try to get at least 3 to 5 jobs, then try to get even if they're underpaid, right? Then try to get a LinkedIn account set up and everything, and start moving forward from there. Because at a certain point you start getting a lot of word of mouth projects, until you figure out you start getting so many job offers and so many project offers that you can imagine and you can possibly handle, right? I can guarantee you this, because this is how it happened to me after I sold my e-commerce store back in 2016. And I started looking for that kind of jobs. But I end up consulting first, but yeah, this is my story. Try to create your own story, and I also get a lot of comments. Hey, do you hire for in your uh, in your agency, or do you hire or on emails? People sending me a lot of emails, but guys, try to I will work for free, that kind of stuff, which don't work for free, right? Work for yourself, work for for less money, right? But less than the usual payment. Let's say at a certain point, I was able to charge $1,800 per month per client. So first of all, go and build trust online. Second of all, build your portfolio, and then everything will come together, and we'll see a lot of projects will come towards you, and you'll be even start thinking like hiring somebody. And this is how it happened to me, and I'm 100% sure that if you do a good job, do a great service, provide results to your clients, because that's the most important thing in our job, I'm 100% sure that you're gonna make it, and you will succeed. So subscribe to our channel, hit the thumbs up, click the notification bell in order to spike the YouTube algorithm, and see you on the other side of success, guys.